Hello, my name is Susu. Welcome to Susu Rabbit Compliment of the Season. We want to give you our report, our 23 days report. Our rabbit 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 23 days. They were born on 1st of December. So what do we do apart from providing the nesting box for your rabbit, maybe 72 hours to 48 hours period to their expected date of delivery? What do you do when they give birth? Number one, during that 72 hours to 24 hours, you have to monitor your farm very well. You have to monitor your rabbits, because some rabbits have the habit of giving birth on the nesting mesh, iron mesh, instead of the nesting box. At times you discover that even when you have provided the nesting box, your rabbit will give birth on the mesh, the iron wire mesh. So what do you do? And it's very dangerous because they can mash on them, they can easily die. So you monitor them immediately when they give birth on the wire mesh. You pick them. Some will give birth, some half inside and the other half outside the nesting box. You pick them with a glove and you put them inside. And you check the mesh. Even before that time, you should provide some hairs inside their nesting box. And if you check that the rabbit did not bring out any hair, that is the rabbit, they have a way of pulling their hair inside so that their children will get warmed. If they did not do it, you provide more hair so that you can use it to cover. It acts as an alternative because the rabbit does not have any hair. If you see their body by that period, there's no hair at all. So cold can easily kill them. So you help the rabbit that cannot pull out. These things are natural. Some will even pull out too much. Some will not even pull out at all. Some will pull out little. So you check and you help them. You provide an alternative. And what else do you know? You give the mother good food. You give them pellets. You give them something like dry elephant grass, dry groundnut hair. You give them the best food. You give them enough food. They have enough food throughout their period. And if help the mother to produce more breast milk. You give them all those things that are very important. You don't just give them any grass. So they say it's very easy, it's very cheap to raise rabbits. They can eat everything green. It's not everything green that they can eat. So that period, if you are not careful and they have something like diarrhea, it might kill them. So you give them the right food, the right quantity to the mother, and the children at this period depends on their mother's breast. You can see them from day 0 to day 14. They cannot even open their eyes. They don't hear any sound. Their movement is not steady. They can barely walk. They will just cluster in one spot. So it's from their mother, what their mother will eat, that they will also feed from. Another thing, we have good and bad mothers. So you have to be checking them. Every day you check your nesting box for 2 things. Number 1, you check to see if there is any dead rabbit, you remove it. Number 2, you also check their belly. If their belly is wrinkled, it means that they are not getting enough milk. If their belly is round, it means that there is enough, they have breastfed them well. Because most times, rabbits don't like to breastfeed their children when people are around. They like their own privacy. So you may not even see them breastfeeding. So it's from the body of their babies that you see. If their babies are fat with round tummy, you know that okay, they are giving them. And this is heat period. So many nursing rabbits die at this period. So you have to monitor them every time, especially at noon. If they look weak, at times, rabbits are not really active during the day period. So it's your duty to just check them. Because you may think that they are lying down without knowing that they are weak. So if they are weak, what do you do to the nursing mothers? What do you do to the nursing mother? You give them glucose. You give them ORS. There was a time we lost so many nursing mothers. We did not understand this tip. This thing. Our cage was not good. Our cage was generating so much heat. That is why, can you see their cage now? It's all wire mesh. They are just using wire so that they can have enough ventilation. Can you see the pen? Everywhere is wire. There's no block around so that they can have enough ventilation. This place is very good to them during this period. But if it was rainy season, what do? We bring out all the nylons. We cover the nylon so that they can generate heat. So let me show you our rabbit at 23 days. They are very active. Can you see? Can you see? They are very fine. It's 23 days. Look at them, they are sleeping. You can see from the video we just shown that they are very fine at 23 days. They are walking, their movement is very steady now, even though most of them were relaxing with their mother because this is afternoon. But you can see that they are very well fed. They are very fine. Their colors have come up. Like everything about them is okay. So always ensure that number one, their safety is guaranteed. Number two, make sure that you have water available. Please don't put water in those small containers. If you put water in those very small containers, most time rabbit will enter inside. And you know, rabbit and water, they are sworn enemy. Can kill them. Put water, they will drink. Like from what we have. This is what we have. They will drink. They will just stretch. You just make sure that the water is always filled. They will stretch and drink very well, and they will go. If the other ones that are small, they will just jump inside. You know, they are very curious at this period. They will just jump inside. Their weight is okay. Their hair has come out. They don't need any warm again from the mother. They are breastfeeding very well. Their movement is very steady. Like everything about them is okay. And do you know one good news that we have? This period we recorded like 97% success. Yeah, 97% success. This one gave birth. The first room gave birth to 5, and 5 is alive. The second room gave birth to 6, and 5 is alive. The third one gave birth to 6, and 6 is alive. The last one gave birth to 11, and we have like 7. So that is a very good success story. So these are our growth reports. This is the growth report from day 0 to day 23. We'll also give our next growth report will be when they are about 1 month old. Thank you very much. Happy Christmas from Suzu Rabbits.